Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 23 on hashtag ASR 99 days data science challenge, and in this today's video we are going to look at classes in Python. Python is an object oriented programming language. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. Now let's create a class and name it my class, and let's say x equals 10, and that's all. My class is created. Now let's try to create objects which is in which the class is a blueprint for creating objects. And now let me name my object P, and that to define my class I to define my object I use the class. And now let's print my object, and now I get 10, which is x. To understand the meaning of classes, we also need to understand the init function, that is this one. This is the init function. Now let's create a class named person, and let's create a edit function, and in which I'm passing the parameters self, name, and age. When self dot, the self is a parameter there, and self dot name, when it is equal to name, and self dot age, let me just storing the arguments, that is name and age are my arguments and self is my parameter. So with the help of my parameter I'm using my arguments and storing it in a variable, this name. Okay, now person, now let's give an identity to the person class. So person, let's say Adith, and let's tell my age it's 18, and when I want to print name I'll type name and print the age. When I run it I will get Adith and 18. And here I got it. The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class, and if it is used to and it is also used to access the variable that belongs to the class. The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class, and if you use any other than self it won't work. Like instead if you use abc and let's say name, age, and now when I run it won't work because the name self is not defined. We can also modify the objects in our class. So let's say now the P, dot age, that is the age is 18. So let me correct it out, which is self name comma age, and now p dot age is 18. We can also change it, so let's say p dot I want age equals to be 40. Now when I print p dot age, sorry, p dot age, it is 40. We can also delete them. Let's say I want to delete p dot age and I want to keep only the name. So using the del function we can do it. Sorry. Now when I print p dot age, I won't get 40 because there's no attribute called age. Attribute or arguments are same, so yeah, I used arguments here. Now, so let's say I want to delete the object completely. So for that I use the same function del and type the value p, and when I run it, the parameter p which we mentioned here is gone. And yeah, I hope you got to know about classes in this video, and thanks for watching. Like the video, leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 24.